Hey everybody, in this video we will be looking at a Leaflet library, open source library to add maps. There are other solutions as well, like a Google Maps, but we'll leave it for another day. So if you need more information about that, I'll add the link into the description. So that's how our final result looks like. I've centered my app somewhere, and we can pan and zoom, and that will be our final result. So let's recreate it from the start. So that's how our brand new app, Ionic 5 app, looks like. And we will work on the first tab here. So I will just remove all of this content, and I need a bit of HTML to add the map where our map will go. So let's add it here with an ID of map. Now we have it, but before that we need to add packages as well. So I will run a command leaflet. This will add a leaflet package, but I have already installed it. After that, I would also need some types as well for my the types really helps in the development, especially in the TypeScript project. So it's a leaflet, and then you will need to add it as a dev dependency. So now that we have it, if we try to see a preview of our app, we won't see much now. So we have HTML, we have I think we have the map ID, but we haven't initialized our map. So let's do that next. So we will go to the TS file, and I will write the whole logic in the ng-on-init function. So we need, I think we need a reference for our map as well. Let's declare a variable. We need to import a library that we just added, leaflet. Let's confirm it that we have it or not. Yeah. We'll just import the whole package. And we will just call it outlet map. Okay. So back into the ng-on-init code, we need to call, or we just will assign it here, l.map function, and as you can see, the typings really helps here. The map accepts an argument, a string argument that will be an element, the ID of the element that we given in the HTML, and then I will just give a dummy center value. We'll explain it later. In the zoom factor, the initial zooming level, and then where we want to render it. We're using the canvas here. The next thing we need is the minimum requirement in order to use the library. We need to add the attribution. So, and I think let's check our result. We see there's something appearing and some not. That's because we haven't referenced our CSS here. So in order to reference our CSS, I will go to the global CSS file and add a line here. This will import a CSS file as well. So let's see the result now. I don't see anything even here now as well. I think we also need one more thing, because our div is here, but it has no height. If you can see, we have inner element as well, but if we give it height of, let's say, 100%, then we'll see our map. So let's add it to it. So we will go to our tab CSS file, and then we'll add this styling. Let's say minimum height of 100%. So here our map, we just see a tiny portion of it, and if we resize it, we will see the whole map that is loaded here. But you're not gonna resize your app, or especially if it's a mobile app, you're not gonna just change its layout, rotate your phone to get your map working. So I mean, actually, there's a flaw in Leaflet app. If I found it's a Stack Overflow question. There's just I would just paraphrase it that if the map cannot find, the map container doesn't find any of the map container width is not defined, then we won't see it. So the workaround is that we need to call this function the invalidate size function of the map. So what we would do, we would just add, as soon as our map is initialized, we will call that function. So we can delay it using a set timeout function. So let's see whether it works or not. Our map is loading, it's loaded, and I hope it works. So that was a little quick video about adding a leaflet into our app. In the next video, we will look into the markers, how we can add markers and pop-ups, and we will see that we might need an invalidate size function again there. So let's see there. Thank you very much for watching this video.